Most beginners are doing dropshipping product research completely backwards. They go to ChatGPT or Claude AI, they type in find me winning dropshipping products, and then they trust a list that they randomly get back. But that right there is not real product research. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the difference between using Claude AI the lazy way versus using Claude AI the right way to find winning dropshipping products. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a couple different product ideas that I would personally test right now. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing I want to do is show you guys what would happen if I put find me winning products for dropshipping. I'm going to hit enter. So Claude just came back with a bunch of different information here, but as you can see, it didn't really give us anything. It just said bladeless neck fans are flagged as a top July product, but there's no real data or just proof here that that is a top July product. I want to see competitors. I want to see estimated monthly traffic. I want to see the problems or the offer that I can build. And somebody might come in here and think, oh, bladeless fans, let me launch that quick, and they'll build the store. And then next thing you know, they might not get sales. And that's because they didn't do the proper product research on that product. And that's why prompting matters so much, because if you give Claude a weak prompt, you're gonna get a weak response back. So before I use the better prompt, let me show you guys the criteria that I follow when I'm personally doing product research. So if we look at number one, the product needs to solve a real problem. And that's because people don't just buy random things online just because they exist. They're buying things because they want something simplified, fixed, improved, something in their life that's annoying that they want solved, or a problem that they want solved, or a pain that they have, they want that pain gone. So you want to make sure that your product solves a real problem. And if we look at number two here, it needs to be easy to understand in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Because if somebody comes across your ad and doesn't understand what it does in that first immediate couple seconds, they're just going to keep scrolling and skip past it. And now looking at number three, it should be easy to demonstrate in a video. And that's going to be huge for dropshipping because it's easier to advertise when you can show the product working visually. And now looking at number four, it needs an emotional buying angle. That could be pain relief, they're saving time, it's helping them with their dog, it's making their life as a new parent easier. Looking at number five, we want to see some type of competitor proof. So whether they have monthly traffic, live ads, anything like that, we want to see. Looking at number six, we need to have offer potential. Can we bundle the product? Can we build upsells? And then number seven, the last one, it needs to be beginner friendly. That's because we don't want products that are too expensive to ship, too heavy, maybe they're fragile. So now that we have the criteria, let's go find winning products the right way. So the first thing we want to do is give Claude the best data possible. So I like to connect it to a product research tool, and the tool that I use is called TrendTrack. It's basically a library of winning products, stores. You can see on the left, there's shops, ads, advertisers, and it shows you products currently running, as you can see up here on Meta, TikTok, and Google. So we could go through here and manually put in different filters, status, we would want active and things, but the better way is to let Claude do all of the research for you. So first, if you haven't yet, sign up for TrendTrack. I'll leave a link down below that gets you 20% off for 3 months. So once you've signed up for TrendTrack, I want you to go to their Connect Claude page. You just need to copy this here, and then all we have to do is take that to Claude, click this plus icon, add connector, add custom connector. We'll name it TrendTrack. And then all we're doing is pasting that in and clicking add. And then from there, it's gonna want you to authorize. So all you're gonna do is click allow access. So now it'll bring you back to Claude. And if you click the plus again under connectors, now you can see that TrendTrack is there. So moving on, now we have Claude connected to a real product research center. Now all we have to do is take this TrendTrack master product research prompt. I'll leave it linked down below. I want you to highlight it all, go back to Claude, and then just paste it in and hit enter. And now Claude is asking us, hey, what niche do you want to research today? And these are some of the best niches to sell in. So I'm gonna tell it, hey, search summer products, and hit enter. And now Claude, as you can see, is gonna research all of the best summer products on TrendTrack based on all of the criteria that I gave it in that prompt. So Claude is gonna know exactly what to look for, what to avoid, and what products and criteria that I need to see for a product to be a winning product. So we'll give it a second, we'll let it look through TrendTrack's entire library, and then I'll show you guys what it came up with. So Claude just came back with the top 15 summer product opportunities based on our prompt, and then look at the quality of the response it gave us. Now it has actual data. This store has 70,000 visitors every month. They have over 1,000 active ads. They tell us the growth signals, the estimated monthly revenue, why customers buy it, the core pain point, the best marketing angle. So you can see the difference. When you give Claude a basic prompt, it's going to give you a basic response. Where in this case, we gave it a complex prompt with a lot of different exclude, include this. So let's look through a couple of these just to get an idea of what they are. So this is kids anti-fog clip-on swim goggles. It has 91 out of 100 with a really high confidence score. So we can click it open link. And as you can see here, this is definitely a really good product, especially right now. This must have a unique angle compared to regular goggles. And it looks like it's that clip-on feature that they're showing and highlighting in all the images. And they're selling it for $34.95, a really good selling point. It has a unique feature to it. And I'm sure it solves a lot of problems. They're also anti-fog and they have a wide view. So there's no blind spots compared to smaller goggles. So a really good product right off the bat. And if you wanted to just double check, or if you land on any website, TrendTrack also has a Chrome extension. So if I click it open, so as you can see here, it does have 70,000 visitors, and look at their ads because right now summer, so this was like a month or two ago. So I bet it's scaling even higher. It's just the estimated monthly traffic is a little bit delayed. 1,600 ads. I think we just found a really good winning product for summer. And if we want to just double check that, I could go to the ad library and I could search for them. As you can see, TrendTrack is absolutely right. Big winning product, especially for summer and for kids. So now let's check another one because so far that was a good one and it ranked at number 1. It said the best marketing angle is most kids don't hate swimming, they hate the goggles. Another example hook, still fighting with goggles at the pool, foggy lenses, straps tangled in her hair, red marks on her face. So overall, a really good product that we would test. Let's look at the next one. So this is a gel-free dog cooling mat. So it's saying that this store has over 100,000 visitors every month, 400 active ads on Meta. Current top ad has been running for over 18 days. And the problem that it's solving, or the core pain point, is the safety of a pet for heat stroke in the summer and the guilt feeling watching your dog suffer. So let's open up the store and see exactly what it is. So if we look here, really good looking store. You can see they have buy one, buy two, get one free, which is an offer as we talked about in the criteria, because people might have multiple dogs. So they might want 2, they might have 3 dogs. So another really good product. And if we check the TrendTrack Chrome extension, let's just validate. So as you can see, they're getting over 100,000 visitors every month and even more ads live. And we can see their best-selling products, similar stores, their creatives in the ad library, and then the apps that they're using on their store. So another really good winning product that solves a pain point for dog owners. So now let's dive into number 3. This is the third best opportunity right now for the summer if you're trying to drop ship. So it's an ergonomic pool float chair. This is the brand here. Let's open it up. And we can see here, it looks like a really nice pool float, which is like a really nice to have, especially right now. This is peak season for this product. And they have an offer. So they have the bundles, they have an upsell, a drinking float station. And if we open up the TrendTrack Chrome extension, yeah, you can see they're getting about 50,000 monthly visitors. So another product that you could probably launch and see sales coming in right away. So far, I would say we're 3 for 3. All of these are really good, but you guys are now starting to see that this is how you find really good winning products right now. And this is in the summer category. I could have went up and I could have chose any of these other ones. I could have said pets, baby specifically, educational toys, kitchen gadgets, sports and outdoors, like camping is really big right now in the summer. So just to show you all of the other ones that it came up with, so there's a cooling bed for hot sleepers, there's a rechargeable mosquito repeller. As we scroll further down, there's a solar powered car cooling vent, which sounds interesting because it's broader market. Everybody has a car. Scrolling further down, some other full nose coverage swim goggles. There's a self-inflating camping mattress. Like I told you guys, camping is huge, like the mosquitoes, the air mattresses, all of that. A bird bath, pond, waterfall kit. So a lot of really cool products that we could dig into deeper. So after going through the entire product research process, I think this is the product right here that I would personally test if I was building a brand new Shopify store today focused on summer products. And I like it because I think the price point is solid. You could probably source this for just a couple dollars. It's light, it's small, and I like that you can bundle. It solves a problem. It had a lot of features, like it has the full panorama view, anti-fog, it clips on easily for kids. They don't want their hair pulled or things like that. And also, people have multiple kids. So that's why you would do a bundle offer just like this, where you could say buy one, get one free, buy 2, get 2 free. So Claude AI can absolutely help you guys find winning products and do product research, but only if you use it the right way. And if you guys want to learn how to build, launch, and get sales with your own dropshipping stores step by step, click by click, I'm gonna leave my free course linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. All the resources are linked down below. Leave a like on this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.